to my channel with this new DIY that I have for you guys today. A beautiful swan princess birthday decoration DIYs, and let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do, it will be the cute little tree boxes. These boxes I got in Favor Mart. It's very affordable. I really recommend for you to go try it out. I will put the link down below where you can get these boxes out. So it's pretty simple to assemble. Just put it through the little thing, do that, fold it, and voila, all done. And for the top, we're just gonna go ahead, you see this little thing over here, we're just gonna put that through that, and then just go ahead and fold it like that, and it will stay like that. And then just put this one through it. So we're just gonna put it through the little hole, and there you have it. There's your tree boxes. So to decorate it nice, guys, you could do so many things with these boxes. I'm gonna show you all the different things that I have done. You can also check my Etsy shop. I will put the link down below where I make a bunny favor boxes, a unicorn, and now I'm doing a swan theme. So for the swan thing, what I did is these boxes are 4 inches by 3. So then you would just cut it the same size, measure, and cut a piece of paper, and then put some double-sided tape on the back. And what we're gonna do is just go ahead and place it right there. So then after we place the cardstock paper, the same size of the box, I made this cute little swan on my computer. What I did, I did cut these out, and then I just draw the eye with a pen, to make it easier for you guys. If you're gonna cut it out from the internet on a piece of paper, and then just put it together, so you could just draw the eye. Now if you have a silhouette machine, you could just cut out the eye and put the eye over here. I might, if you guys leave me a comment if you would like me to sell just a swan for you guys, and then I would just create something to sell it. So what I did next was, I'm gonna go ahead, for now I'm just gonna leave it with a black for now, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put some double-sided tape in the back. And what I did was just pretty simple. Just make my little swan, glue it right here. You see how cute already that looks? And then I created this little flower in my machine, and then just get some color pearls, and that's what I did. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna put it right here. But before I do that, let's not forget about the wings for the swan. I'm just gonna go ahead and connect it to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here like that, and then I'm just gonna put hot glue in the back. Hot glue, double-sided tape. You can use hot glue if you would like. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put my little, there you go, put it right there, and look how cute, guys. And then the next thing I'm gonna do, I am gonna put these little flowers, I'm gonna put it right here, and look how cute this looks. So I also got this ribbons. You can also find it in Favor Mart. I am affiliated with Favor Mart, but they're pretty awesome. I'm giving you my opinions. I will be doing a baby shower with their stuff, and I can't wait to show you guys how everything is gonna come out. So what I did is pretty simple. I got the ribbon, then you're just gonna go ahead and fold it like you're gonna do a shoelacer, and that's what you do. You're gonna tie your shoelacer, voila, that's it. Then you're gonna go ahead and fix your little bow. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take my hot glue gun, and this little flower that I did, I'm just gonna put a flower right there. I'm just gonna connect it there, and I am gonna get another flower because that one came off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hot glue gun. I was trying to do it with tape, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put my flower right there. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna take, after you put your candy inside, of course, you're gonna go ahead and glue it right here, right there. And guys, look how cute that turns out. Tell me that ain't cute. So this is how I did my favorite boxes, and let's just leave it on the side right there, and let's start working on my centerpieces. So what I did for the centerpieces, they sell this mason jar. I got it in Dollar Tree, Walmart, anywhere you like. And then I had this little container as well in Dollar Tree. And like those words, you're not gonna see because I'm gonna put something on top. It is a little bit longer. I am gonna cut it a little bit. Make sure before you decide to glue them, this is what you're gonna do. So this tulip as well, you can also find it in the Favorite Mart. If you do go to their, just check the website out. If you do, just you get 10% discount for if you buy something right now through my link, and the 10% off is you just gotta put Special Creations by Nelly, the name, and then you should be able to come out as well. I'm gonna write everything down below so you can just go ahead and look at it if you decide to go to the website. So what I do next is I fold my tulip, and I'm just gonna fold it in half, and I'm gonna make sure it's not too long or not like that one. That's once I get the length that I want, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut. So I'm gonna go ahead, you see that's perfect. And then what I do is I'm just gonna open it up, and I'm going to keep cutting as many as I can. So once I cut all the amount that I will need, so I'm just gonna go ahead, and fold it in half. I'm gonna take a little bit of hot glue gun, put it in there, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right there. So then that's how I'm gonna do the whole thing. And then once I do the whole thing, I'm gonna show you what's the next step. Okay guys, so after I glue every pieces of tulip, and then I glue this part as well, the base, what I'm gonna do next is, they sell this in anywhere. It's like a foam, so I can put the stick in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some hot glue in it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it right there to that piece. So after I do that, I'm gonna take a few flowers, and with the flower, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I'm gonna attach it to my centerpiece. Just gonna go ahead and attach it there. So I'm gonna attach the flower all around the centerpiece, so you won't be able to see the foam board. So that's why I cut it in a small piece, so you guys will be able to see it once I put the thing. So after I put all the thing attached to it, I made this big swan. So what I did, I took a stick, it could be any stick to be honest, but I used this one, the one that you use for the the cake pops. So I just used that one, and I cut it in half, and then I just go ahead and glue it there, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and stick it in that one that I attached to it. So let's make sure it's straight, right? So then after I attached it there, what I did was all these cute little flowers. So what I'm gonna do with the flowers, the little flower that I did, is just attach all over. Then I'm gonna just continue attaching all the little flowers all around it. Put it in the front so you guys can get an idea on how it's gonna look. And look how beautiful this turned out. I cannot wait to show you how everything is gonna come out. My next DIY is gonna be a backdrop that I'm gonna do with a hula hoop. So please subscribe if you wanna see that. And if you also wanna see how my whole decoration setup is going to turn out. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.